It began over the weekend, but the firefighters are still battling a fierce blaze near Chile's coastal city of Viña del Mar. At least 16 homes have been destroyed and nearly 1,000 acres of land burned. Hundreds of firefighters, police officers, and locals have been deployed. Authorities say 6,000 residents have been evacuated, although no deaths or injuries have been reported. And while firefighters try to get the upper hand, they're warning that dry conditions could see the blaze erupt again at any time.